Okay, today is a very important thing. You want to maybe forward some kind of email that is going on your domain, on your host, to any of your private emails. So, for example, let's say you have some private email just like me. I have the Google email with my name, and you can just want to in your Gmail, for example, in your Gmail, you want to see all the emails that come from your host. For example, let's say you have a host with example host, or let's put it here in the text. So let's say your host is called examplehost.com. This is your website. Okay. Then you want to maybe which you have the domain for. So this is your domain. And then you want to have some email forwarding. So you have uh, person or anything you want at examplehost.com. So this is your imaginary email you want, and then you have your personal email. So in my case, Murian-Coush at gmail.com, and you want to see all the mails from the person at example.com. See all the mails that are sent to, right? And we can do this with email forwarding. So this is the way to do it. And your wish email doesn't have to exist really. So this is the documentation. I will put as well in the YouTube. And you want to maybe your private email, and then you have email forwarding. Okay, thank you. So the way to do it, you start here. You start with the ImprovMX.com make new account. So it's free, so don't worry. You have nothing to worry about. Let's just create free account. Oh, the request the email was not found. So create account. Create account, and then you get email, so on and so forth. Yes, so my name is pretty obvious, I think. What are you from? Yeah, guys, I don't want to know about all your stuff, but yeah. So yeah, you can update as well, but we don't need it. So let's say here just add a domain, right? Add a domain examplehost.com, and you put here add domain, and then it instantly shows here email forward needs setup. Check again, and then it can check for check here, checked, and then still needs setup. So the thing you have to do now is go to documentation of this here. I think you have some documentation. Where is it? Is it this one? How can I link my email for forwarding? What do I have to do in the domain center of my domain? So this is the question I'm posing here right now, and we want to know exactly, right? So in your domain center, I don't actually know where the documentation is, but this is exactly what I saw last time. So in your domain center, you need to put those values in the MX records, and I can show examples. So if you have domain center, for example, domain center, and I just show you on Google how it might look, for example, here. So B places the domain center like this, for example, or domain center Cloudflare. If you have a Cloudflare domain UI, it looks maybe like this here. So you have some kind of interface where you can see all your domains. And in this domain center MX. So then you have some, oh, this is, I think is very nice. Oh, here's a German one. And I think it's very nice picture. So you see some kind of examples. And let me see the image which was here. Maybe want to just search for the image, open image. No, this is not actually image I want to see. So I want to see some kind of, yeah, it goes in the direction. I just want to show you how it might look in domain center. Ah, yeah, maybe it is this one here. So let's take a look. Well, yeah, exactly. So you, for example, you have here Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and you have some domain managed, and you want to put some MX value. So it's here. You see in the configuration, you see some MX value, and then you have to put just the information which is set here with the type is MX, host is just your host, and then or nothing because in the domain center you have your host already. And then priority 10 for the first one, and for the second one priority 20. And then you just need to no, you have to add the SPF record as a text record. You'll get the exact value from the dashboard. So you have to put the SPF record as well, and I think this is everything you have to do. So basically, then you then have here your person, add example host, and then you can add it. So it's added, and then you would just have the email forwarding. And keep in mind, if you have your own domain, you need to wait maybe 1 day or some less until the domain is already finished, and then you can check here, and then it's checked, and then you will show green. So yeah, this is how you do it. And I just sadly cannot show now, but trust me, it works flawlessly. And then you can just go in your email, your Gmail, and see any emails you have been sent to this year, right? So yeah, guys, try it out. If you have any own domain, try it out. I can just encourage you to do it. It's very funny and makes fun. So yeah, it makes sense as well if you want. And yeah, that's it for today. No more talking, and just question me wherever you want. It's so many possibilities, all listed below. And yeah, let's get in touch, guys. Ask me anything. I'm your professor for some kind of informatic and anything stuff. So thank you very much, and goodbye. See you the next time. Bye.